Welcome to the tutorial video series for Georgia Child Care Administrative and Payment System, or GACAPS. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to find and view your uploaded documents. The document library is a repository of all the documents you upload to the provider portal and/or send to DCAL. Log into the provider portal and navigate to your provider dashboard. You can watch the provider dashboard video to learn more. On the side panel menu, select Documents Library. You will see all your documents associated with different processes organized under separate categories. You may see one or more documents associated with a certain document type. For example, you will see documents related to attendance under the Attendance Record or Payment Support category. You'll also be able to see the application type, uploaded date, expiration date, and status of the document type. You can also use the search bar on your right to look for specific documents. Documents that meet the policy requirements will display a document status of approved. If documents are returned for revision, you will be notified via the bell icon on your dashboard. To view a specific document, select the View icon under the Actions column. A pop-up will open. You may see one or more documents associated with a certain document type. The pop-up will also display the document version when revisions are needed and documents are uploaded more than once. Select the name of a document to preview its contents. The document preview will open in a separate window. Select the download icon to save it to your device. This concludes the Documents Video Library tutorial. Thank you for watching.